Hello everyone. This video is for set the clock, alarm, and radio. First, we set the time. Press and hold down set time button. Then the display will flash. Press minute and hour to set the hour and minute. Then release the set time button to exit and save, like this. To set the alarm, press and hold down alarm 1. Then the display will flash. Press the hour to set the hour. Press the minute to set the minute. Then release the alarm 1 to exit and save. To turn on alarm, press alarm 1. Then alarm 1 will turn on. Press alarm 2. Then alarm 2 will turn on. To set alarm volume and radio sound, press and hold down alarm 1. Then the display will blink. Press the snooze to set the alarm volume, and press the AM, FM. Some may print radio, like this. Then the radio indicator light up. That means alarm will go off with the radio sound. The bell indicator light up. That means alarm 1 will go off with the bell sound. Release the alarm 1 to exit and save. To turn on radio, press radio button. Some may print radio, and this one print AM and FM. Press. Then the screen will display frequency. Press tuning button to adjust the frequency. If you want to search a station quickly, press and hold down the tuning button about 2 seconds. Then the radio will auto search a station for you, like this. Press the radio button again to switch AM and FM, like this. Press and hold down radio button to turn off radio, like this. If you want to preset a station, like this, press radio button or AM, FM to turn on radio. Then press and hold down preset button, this button. Then the display will blink and display the channel. Press the two button. Then release the preset button to exit and save. Like this. Then we find the station. Press and hold down radio to turn off radio. If you have other questions, you can contact us with the mail address. We write it on the video. Thank you.